Winner of Falling Walls Venture Sendai, Ball Wave, presented by its Director of Business Development, Yusuke Tsukahara.
Guten Tag and good morning. And our story started when a steel ball was hit by a laser light for the non-destructive evaluation of the ball. And we generated the surface acoustic wave, which is really a mechanical vibration on the surface. And we found that it turned around the ball so many times, 10 times, 20 times, 100 times, 20 times. So usually wave diverge when it propagates. But in our case, it doesn't. And well collimated naturally. So it's called diffraction-free propagation of wave, which was a very big surprise at the time. We immediately published papers, and the idea came up to us, that it could be used for gas sensors and devices. So we polished crystal ball, 3.3 millimeter in diameter, with a metal electrode on it to generate and detect the surface acoustic wave. And when a very small amount of molecule attached to the surface, the output signal changed due to that. So in doing so, we developed hydrogen sensors, odor sensors, moisture sensors, and various sensors based on that. And we found it highly sensitive with extremely quick response time. So we have a lot of patent on that. And recently we started business with a trace moisture sensor because natural gases need to avoid moisture at very low level. But there is no such sensors to be used online, real time, quick enough. And also, the manufacture of new generation semiconductor needs an extremely low level of moisture in the process. And also, one sensor needs to be installed in one chamber. There are many chambers. And there is no such technology at the time with a very quick response at the very low limit of moisture. So this year, we started selling the trace moisture sensors in these key industries. And our next step is to bring this technology out of factory to everywhere, hopefully. GC stands for gas chromatograph, which detect various substances in ambient air, like this you are breathing. But right now, the instrument is big and sits in lab. So we developed handy GC, something like this. Then, right now, we are ready to make it much smaller, than make it using the smaller ball sensors in microchip circuitry, size something like that. This is not yet achieved, but we are very sure that we can do that. And we called it a GC Everywhere project. And then we will be able to bring it to monitor the pollution of the air you're breathing, and the chemicals over the agriculture field, and something bad in the airport. And we just started our business with a modest size of market with the trace moisture sensors for industry, but we are hoping to achieve the much larger market with handy GC and GC everywhere. And in addition to that, I have a few moments. This summer, we have another surprise in our laboratory, that the same technology and same science can be used for the quantum communication between quantum computer to quantum computer. We just started the collaboration with the Japanese national project, Erato Nakamura macroscopic quantum machine project. And we hope that will be another big growth of the company. Thank you very much.